They call it the Segway Ninebot Kickscooter Model F25. And in this video, let's unbox it. Okay, now, I gotta admit, I highly contemplated doing this or not doing this. I know this is not a laptop, but when Segway's PR team reached out to me, I couldn't resist. I mean, how in the world could I turn down a really cool Segway kick scooter and just be like all the cool people who ride around all the cool cities in their cool kick scooters, and why, like, how could I resist? So we're here, we're doing this, and this is, I guess, interrupting your regularly scheduled entertainment to do something fun. And I hope you guys enjoy this. A little bit of unboxing joy as I check out this Segway kick scooter. There's going to be a lot of foam in here, I feel like. Okay. All right. There it is. That's so cool. Okay. So that's an extra tire right here. This is our charger. And I guess this all plugs in. Whoa, gosh. Let's see if we can get this kickstand down. This will help us a lot. There it is. Okay, so here's the Ninebot. So let's see if we can just go ahead and put this thing together really quickly. So this thing has Bluetooth capability to connect to your phone, so you can easily lock it down. Nobody can just come and steal your scooter. Looks like we've got the throttle here, brake. There's a bell. Oh, that's great. And we'll just drop this guy in here. But we gotta connect these two first. If I'm not mistaken. Yep. So we'll connect these two. So we can get this in a shot. There we go. So we'll connect these two guys here. All right, got that connected. So then that will drop into there. Cool. And then we probably have some screws somewhere around here. Check out the instruction manual. See how we can put this thing. There we go. So now we're gonna put this thing together really quickly. So far, this has been really quick. We got some screws here. I'm guessing put one there. So it has a dual braking system with a disc brake on the back, which is awesome for stopping power. But it also has like an ABS, like anti-skid, so that way you won't like shoot out from under you. So hopefully that'll help us from crashing. And then they say it can get up to around 18 miles an hour. So I'm gonna do a full test on this thing. I just wanted to unbox it, show you guys the cool things that'll be coming on the channel here. I'm not gonna do too much off the cuff, laptop stuff, but I just couldn't resist this. I thought this would be a ton of fun. I know these have gained a lot of popularity, so I thought it'd be fun to do an unboxing and go ahead and do a full review of this thing on the channel. So I'll put links in the description below if you want to check out the model and some of the extra details, but I'll have a full review coming out here on the channel, so go ahead and subscribe if you don't want to miss that, and I'll see you guys here on the next one.